Guys, so we will solve this problem today. Print in order. Okay, so they have given us a full class and three methods: first, second, and third. Okay, and what they have given in the description is the foo instance will be passed to the three threads. Okay, and thread A will call first, and B will call second, and thread C will call the third. Okay, and we have to design the mechanism and modify the program to ensure that the second is executed first and third is executed after second. Okay, so this we have got is okay, and they have given us a synchronized method. So this means only one thread can enter this block at a time. Okay, and okay, so they have given us three threads. So our problem is in OS means any thread can start first, right? Thread B or C or A, any can start first. Okay, so I want thread A will start first and it will execute the first method, and after that B thread will start and it will call second, and after that C will call the third. Okay, so suppose miss if thread B starts first, and how can I strict to call this method? Okay, maybe I can put that thread into a wait state, and I want the thread A to execute first. Okay, how can I do that? Okay, so I can do maybe by using some conditions, maybe I can do that. Okay, how I'm thinking is means I will use one variable. Okay, so suppose means I'm using one variable flag, initial value is 0. So if its value is 0, and then thread A can execute this first method, means this print first run it can execute, with this I will write in this method. Okay, and if its flag value is 1, then it can enter this second method, and it can call this print second run so that I can print this second, right? So in the output means they have given, right? So we have to print first, second, and third. Okay. In the same way, this flag value, if it is second, then I want this third method to be called. Okay. So okay, so first we know is the flag is 0, then I can straight away I can call this method and I can increment its value, right? So that it can call the second method. Okay, so I'm just incrementing it. Okay, so here I'm just calling the notify all, because here we have three threads. Okay, and any thread can start first. Okay. Okay, so here we need a condition. If flag value is 0, then I should not call this print second dot run in this, right? So I should wait this thread. Okay, so here I'm checking if flag value is less than 1, then it will go to wait state. So wait means it's a releasing lock and going into a wait state. Okay, so now if its value is 1, then I'm calling this print second method, and again I'm incrementing the flag so that I can call the third method. Okay, same is I'm calling notify all. I'm not calling notify because here we have three threads, means I want the other two threads to start. Okay, okay, so same way I will write a condition over here. A flag if its value is less than 2, then I want this thread to be in wait state. It should not call the this lines that what I'm writing now. So okay, so here means I don't need to increment this flag because this is the last method I want to call, and means I can skip the notify all also because I have already executed the first and second method, right? Okay, so I think this code should work, right? Okay, so let me check. I'm just running the given test cases. Oh, yeah, it's working. So I'm just pressing the submit button. Uh, okay, yeah, it's accepted. So actually it's a slow, but yeah, it's a basic concept that wait and notify I've used here. Please let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. Thank you.